Have you ever looked at your code and thought, there has to be a better way to write this, or how can I make this more efficient? Getting artificial intelligence to clearly improve your code quality comes down to one crucial thing: providing it with specific, well-defined prompts. The reason this works is that artificial intelligence models, especially large language models, operate by identifying patterns and relationships within the vast amounts of text data they were trained on. When you give it clear, explicit instructions, you help the AI narrow down those patterns to precisely what you are looking for, leading to more accurate and helpful suggestions. To achieve this, start by defining the specific aspect of quality you want to improve. Instead of a vague request like, make my code better, be precise. For example, you could ask, refactor this Python function to improve its readability and adhere to PEP8 style guidelines, or optimize this JavaScript loop for better performance by reducing redundant calculations. Always include the code snippet you want it to review. Next, specify the programming language and any relevant frameworks or libraries. Providing context like, this is a React component, or I am using Node.js with Express, helps the AI understand the conventions and best practices applicable to your situation. Also, state the desired output format, such as provide only the refactored code without explanation, or explain the changes you made in bullet points. A key to successful interaction is using what we call prompt engineering. This involves iteratively refining your instructions based on the AI's initial responses. If the first suggestion isn't quite right, follow up with, that's a good start, but can you also ensure it handles edge cases where the input list is empty? By adopting this methodical approach of clear, specific, and contextual prompting, you transform the artificial intelligence from a general tool into a highly effective, personalized code quality assistant. This allows you to write cleaner, more efficient code faster, ultimately enhancing your development process.
If this helps you code smarter, like, subscribe, and build with us.